I'm going to restart the TikTok stream here in a moment. Please stand by. La 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 da 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 da. Boom 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 boom. Ba da da bum ba 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 bum ba ba bum ba da da. Are we getting ourselves a little reversal? Is it coming right now? Ba ba boom ba 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 boom boom ba da dum ba da ba ba boom ba boom ba 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 boom ba boom ba boom boo boo wow boom da 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 dum 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 da 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 dum da 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 dum da 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 dum. Do not follow these trades for entertainment purposes only. There is a delay on this stream. The only way you can get a no delay where it is reliable is directly in our Discord. Directly in our Discord, which is streaming live right now. Look at that. Didn't happen. It did not happen. They did not give us the reversal. No. There we go. It's right there at the top. It's entertainment purposes only. This stream does have a delay. This stream does have a delay. We are scalping. So if you are scalping, there is a delay. There is a delay. Please do not follow these trades. Boom, boom, da da da. Boom, boom, ba da boom. I am on a 2-minute chart on Nasdaq on some NQs. On some NQs. Yeah. And put on where can I open? No, they're in the Windows Media Player. There it is. And where's my brain song? Gotta have the brain song. Da da do, da 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 do, da 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 do, da 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 do. Where the heck is it? Oh, it's in music. So there you go. There it is. There it is. On the chat here. You don't have any audio. Should have audio now. Boom, 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 boom. I got too many things going. Scalping away. And this is looking like a bear flag right here. Jumping into the 20 minutes for the open, 20 minutes for the open. What are we gonna do? Still not getting a very still I still well this looks like a reversal coming. Possibly reversal. Possibly. What's up, Danny?
What's going on?
Not much, eh? I think we're gonna bounce off yesterday's orb here. 15-minute orb. Looks like that's a possibility. But it could just crash on through. No, never know.
That trend shift algo was in the green when I got up this morning. Cross trade shut the account down though, or, put a stop on it.
Why? Oh, because of profit?
Trying to see why. Because one account was up 265 and the other was up 180.
Wait, you have a trailing profit?
Let's see. P&L high 555 above minimum profit trigger of 500 and current P&L 275 below take profit threshold of 300. That's what's in the log.
And yeah, I did a trailing profit lock. That's how you beat them pesky unrealized drawdowns. Sir.
So, I mean, I guess it did its job and it's kept me in the green.
Yep.
So no complaints there. It's just weird when you wake up and you look and you're like, oh, cool, up 265, up 180, but it stopped. It stopped the account. Why?
Yeah. Yeah. That's good though. So I screwed up the code on one of them yesterday and it only was shorting, but it gave an insane number for the year, like $8 million only shorting. So I was like, I'm just going to leave it alone and let it be a only shorting bot. And so I have it on a sim running and it's up $900 from last night. So that's the short only version of the quantum surge bot. I gotta figure out a name for it. Like I don't know, the Sportster. I don't know, something. It's dumb. Okay, we're on yesterday's orb now. What are we gonna do? Are we gonna just like crash into it and stay there? Are we gonna go through to the bid? What's up? What's up, US Open? What are you gonna do? I don't know, man. I know what I'm gonna do. I have 5 minutes. I'm gonna get another cup of coffee. Be right back. Hey, look at that.
Whoa. Of course, I wasn't looking.
It is rejecting that. I'm going for it on that. I'm gonna try to get that little scalp there. Of course. Come on, baby, push. Push, push, push. Oh, it's gonna come wake my stop loss and then go straight to fuck up. Watch. This is looking like what it's gonna do. Exactly what it's gonna do. It was, dude, it was like a point away from the take profit. Come on, man. And TP smashed. There it goes. Boom. How do you like that? How do you like that one, Daddy? Oh, that motherfucker's running. Right at 9:30 on the open, snagging a little scalpy scalp. Look at that candle. Holy shit. Look at that regular. Oh my goodness. The FOB is calling to buy on it too. Edge pulse is a full reversal with a green dot. Damn, we should have held this fucker. But no, that's not the plan. That's not the strategy. We are here to take little bitsies. Little bitsy bitsies out of it. Boom. Yes, sir. That was a good scopey scope. I need to what kind of count is this I got on this thing running? 8 of 8 funded. Okay. That's this one. Click so that you can see take profits and things. There we go. All right, I gotta go grab my copy. It just got done.
Right at that.
And they wicked that candle way up there and then turned it right back around. Oh. 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 Now, what do we got going on now? What do we got? What are you doing, Mr. NQ? Oh, look at that. Oh, shit.
Jeez. All right, I hear you. I hear you, Mr. Nazadaki. Mr. Nazadaki. Alrighty. Danny. Yeah.
Are you on a are you on a Are you on your computer?
Yeah.
Go to the bottom down there where it says voice connected. It has a little phone looking thing next to it. See it? You see what I'm talking about? The bottom of Discord.
Uh-huh.
See that little line through some lines next to the phone? Little icon.
Yeah.
Just noise suppression powered by Crisp.
Yeah.
Click it. Turn it on.
It is on.
Oh God. Okay. I tried. Every click of your mouse I hear.
I'll try to tap it instead.
Click, click, click.
Pad.
Oh, you use the pads? Ooh.
Well, it's a laptop.
I know, I still bring a mouse. I can't use them things, man. The touch pads, can't do it. Drives me crazy. I also tried to use, you ever do those trackball things where it sits still and you just roll a ball around?
Yeah,
I could never
tried that. I didn't like that.
I could never get those to work.
Yeah. I need your counsel and guidance on that funded account. I haven't touched it yet.
Wait a week. Wait till it's not new in your brain and you're itching to blow it up.
Exactly what I don't want to do.
Yep. Got him covering up everything. Oh, I screwed up my thing. Where is it? There it is. There we go. So I think this is a fade of the orb right here, is it not? It looks like it. It kind of looks like a fade of the orb. Time will tell. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, boo, boo. Let's check. I don't want that one. I want the midline for this zone here. Click that. Well, let's see if that's what it do. Hey, do it. A color being the color there is not good. Same color as the candles almost. I need it to be like this will work. Oh, look at that jump. We got ourselves a nice little orb here. Started out 300 ticks. Not bad. Not bad on a Monday. They came and swept pre-market lows. Previous day lows right here. They swept some pre-market lows, man. And here it comes. They're gonna come get that daily low now. They trapped everybody. They tricked them into buying. And now they're gonna come get the previous day low right here. Oh, we could turn on our key levels indicator from Breakout Hunter. Click. And there it is. Asia low, previous day low. All the lows, all the things. Even got our trend lines. Rejection. I shot right back up, my friend. Right now, my bias is still bullish. Still bullish. Boom, 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 boom. Mark and Mark. Kind of whipsawing around inside the first 15 minutes here of US Open. Not much to do, not much going on. Gotta wait. You got a little scalp right in at the open, little 20 tick scalp. Waiting on it. So we're retesting this. Our trend is right here from this is Asia's and London's are like right in line with each other, and these are time-based trends. They're not based on actual trend line. Kind of odd how it works, but it works. And look at that, we're wicking him, or we're wicking him, or we're wicking him, right? But our 240 zone is over our main zone, which is New York. You can swap it over to pre-market and see what's going on with that. Pre-market and the 240 are in sync, which is crazy. Okay. Turn on New York zone. Got ourselves a new New York forming. That's the purple. We're breaking over it. We've already swept underneath. Now we're coming up over it. That's market structure. Right. Makes sense. Yeah, man. Makes sense.
Yep.
Makes sense. I really would like to see us break over the New York zone, the 240, or is that 45 minutes? I think it's 240. 240, yep. and retest all of these trends, all of these things right here. We can get it to do that. I think we're going to push up, try to take these highs, at least Asia high here, which would be a good 70 points almost from here. But if it keeps crashing down, I'm good with that too. I'll probably come down into this end cap that's sitting right here. I have them turned off on the big one. I should probably turn it on. Turn on end caps. There we go. So it'll come down here and test that maybe in range about. Higher time frames are starting to look bearish. 4 hours definitely bearish. Give me a sign. Give me a sign. Came up and retested the 630 thing. If you've watched the orb, of course you'll know what I am discussing. I am talking about. Jenny, have you taken that? I think you have. I think that you should. Let's see here. So far, 3 for 4 from starting last night. I scalped a little trade last night. Saw a little opportunity, make a little money, and I did. Got in it, got out. Boom, boom. Wow, this is a really awesome open. This is super uneventful. Like, I mean, if we were trading 1 second candles, we would 1 second candles, we would actually see something. See this? This is the open. Made a new low, came over here, sweep this high, sweep these lows, come back up, sweep the highs, come down here, not sweep lows. That's interesting. Come up here, sweep the highs. This is classic contraction expansion. Here's your contraction area expansion lines right here for sweeping highs and lows. Eventually it'll break into a trend. Boom. Boom. Cody. It's a good thing I checked this. I am checking out these 1 second charts. I know it seems like a lot to people to look at these things, but it's really not. You're just looking at structure. It's the same as if you're looking at an hour chart. Like I'm just looking at the structure, seeing what's going on, and seeing if we're, you know, higher lows are being created or lower lows, if we're sweeping highs, you know what I mean? And right now it's starting to go bullish, but this is kind of making, well, this right here, see that? And what does that look like to you? Right? Right. So are we gonna dump back down to here now? It's possible. See that? I'm into like 5 seconds here. We're getting nice and close to the orb here. We did fade the bottom and go to the top like I thought we would. We swept this and we came up and swept a high. See that? 70-point move. Our FLB zones are flat. So we're over our zones. We're getting what I was wanting, right? I was wanting to break over and kind of retest these time-based trends here. And then break out to the upside and come try to sweep this Asia high. I've already swept Asia low and only London low at the same time. So that's kind of what I'm waiting on here. Our quantum bot just did something here. And it just won its trade. Boom, right there. Boom, boom. Quantum surge for the win. So this thing looks like it is. This thing is fading. Look at that. Look at that right there. Holy shit, holies, man. This is why I'm waiting, because I'm not doing what I want to do. I'm gonna try for that right there. It may have been a mistake. Holy fuck, that. Look at that dump right there. Oh, that was a bad one. Gonna go for the. They're gonna short it. Let's short it then. Come on, bitch. There we go. That one. There we go. Yeah, they literally just diked everybody right there. Are they gonna dump this? They're gonna dump the fuck out of this. Look at it, dude. Holy, they're gonna dump it. All right, we're gonna be looking for that entry. There you go, taking the low right now. Well, that's fun. Look at right to the low. I have to turn off all these fucking alerts, dude. There's too many. I can't. It's literally fucking with my brain. Testing all these different variations. Oh, look at that rejection. Right back up. What are they doing, dude? What are they gonna do with this? Hmm. Hmm. Oh my god, Daddy, look at this price, man. It's literally not going anywhere. It's just sitting right here, flat. Flat, flat. Flat, flat. Starting to lean more towards bearish here, but maybe not. I don't know. These 15-minute candles are fucking wicked. They're all dojis. Oh. Hey. Ugh. All right. Sick. Here we go. I think we're going bearish, dude. We're gonna dump down to this A cap here. Take out these lows. Just gonna do a little dance before they do it. Gotta wait on that. And that'll be a pretty decent trade there. That one little whipsaw just fucking took everything I made. That was them bastards. They tricked the shit out of everybody. Them bastards. Unless we're not going bearish. Look at this shit. There's some fucking tariff news going on. God. Please stop. Please stop with the tariffs.
Hey, remember last week when you asked me what I was watching?
Yeah.
It ended up being a basically an infomercial for Trade Sinker.
Oh. Yeah.
I was like, what is this shit?
Yeah. And they really whipsawed this fucking open, didn't they?
Bot just took along. The trade algo or trend algo.
So what's it going to do now? Is it going to come down or is it going to retest and push? You know? And it just slowed way down.
It was trucking up and then boom.
I mean, what are you going to do? It got me on the false push up on the last one. They're not getting me again. Not gonna get me again. Shit won't go anywhere, dude. Not going anywhere. Come on, you little punk. Do something. Gonna do a 5-minute candle in about 50 seconds here. think we're gonna break the bottom side. We just gotta be very careful here. Definitely big ass bear flag right here. 853. If we're gonna dump, here's the manipulation coming up right now. Do 15 in 1 minute. And volume is building. There's a battle going on right now. $50 here. I think we're gonna drop down to 853 at least, if it drops. $15. See if this is just gonna range out some more. Hopefully not. Got our new 5 and our new 15 forming right now. That's possibly momentum right there. Taking the risk. And of course, it was a false break. God damn it, dude. It's nonstop today. they're gonna sweep and sweep and sweep and sweep and sweep. I'm not getting stopped.
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, she's breaking. So I slammed my stop loss all the way up there. I said, fuck that. I ain't getting stopped out.
The algo took a trade and got, I think, a hit take profit in like a couple seconds.
I wish this bitch would have right here. Do 5 minutes and 30 seconds. This should just dump right on that Prince.
Yeah, the algo hit that wick. And that's what hit the take profit on it.
At 5 seconds. Dump. Just dump.
There you go.
Keep dumping.
I'm going to shut up because every time I say that, it pulls back.
There she goes. Oh, man. $8.53, right to it. Just slingshot right to it. But I'm locking this in right here. Locked in for at least 500 or 490 or something like that. Oh, because I'm cool with that. That's fine. These are all funded accounts, so I just made 1,200 bucks or 900 bucks, $1,000, whatever. Off of these, well, these groups, my groups. man, I should have left it alone, bro. Look at that. Man, it's just retracing. That was a good stop right there. Fuck it. Whatever. Oh, hey, thanks, man.
As much as it's bouncing, nah, I think you did okay there.
Yeah, you're probably right. You're probably right. Man, if this just sweeps the low and then rejects and goes straight back up, that's gonna be wild. I'm gonna scalp later, but I'm gonna wait for that 240 zone to leave the orb. I don't want to. I need this. No, not this one. I need this one right here. This gray blackish one. Change that to yellow or something so you can see it better. I need that to leave the orb. Right here. So what is that? The cell line. So this is how you can set an alert to get an alert when it happens. So you can go to this right here, click crossing, F, cell line, crossing, orb. Actually, that isn't gonna work. I'm gonna have to put a horizontal line. So, and then we can crossing, add alert on horizontal line. FLB, which one is that? That's the second one. So you come on here and you put in crossing FLB, the second one, cell line, crossing horizontal line, once per bar close, boom. So now when this cell line here, that line right there crosses this and closes, I'm going to get a notification. I don't have to sit here and watch it and wait for that and then get into a bad trade because I'm being impatient or something, you know what I mean? Because I am only human and I do the same shit everybody else fucking does. So that's what that's my plan now. Is the way for this to cross the bottom of the opening range, unless this is just unless they're fading this. We did hit previous day low. I don't really see us continuing bullish with the news right now. I see us coming down and sweeping some of this liquidity. Here's an end cap right here. There's one right here that keeps getting touched. What's up, A-Law?
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good, man.
Thanks for, showing me what you're doing today. This is cool.
Yep. So the reason I knew to short was if you look, this zone right here, which is a 240, so a 4-hour zone turned into support and resistance. The average price of it's in the middle. Crossed under our New York zone here. So this is New York session, this purple. So these are all the New York sessions that start at 9:30, right here. And it builds the support and resistance for the whole session. And when you get a prominent cross, like something like this happening in session, that pretty much tells you that you're going bearish. And then you just need to wait for the manipulation points. And if you look, it crossed under, came back up, broke over the zones, manipulated a high, and then dumped, right? And then obviously you have your super smooth here. but I use the rejection. See how these candles are all rejecting the midline of this yellow zone here?
Yeah.
I use that rejection to get into it, and this is dumping again. This is actually going to crash out. This is
this super smoother like a VWAP, or what's the?
It's proprietary.
Trying to tell you. Okay.
But it's like a moving average. But if you're above it, be bullish. If you're below it, be bearish. That's simple.
Okay.
Especially if you're scalping, and it'll assist you on fast scalps. So like here, this is a 10-second chart, but you can scalp like these rejections off the zones when you're, see how we're above the VWAP here? Or not the VWAP, but the super smooth. Our VWAP would be where's the I don't have one on here. Put one on here. The VWAP's way up here. So if you're even if you're even using standard deviations, you'll see you'll see that it's showing you confirmation to bounce off the bottom deviation. So we break up right through the super smooth, and we come up and we bull flag on the middle line of the 240 zone here. So we're bull flagging and it breaks up. So the way you could scalp that even on a 10-second would be to take I use Heiken Ashi, so take the first flat, right? And we actually have an indicator for that points it out. There it is right there. So this points out the first flat Heiken Ashi candle after a pullback, right? And you could take this and then just ride it to the VWAP. I wouldn't try to go to the deviation above, but to actual VWAP would be fine on a scalp like that. And look at that, that's a 20-point scalp. Yeah. And all you did was just wait for a crossover and a rejection of the midline, and you notice it crosses, rejects at the same time right here. And that's how I scalp these a lot. That's how I do it.
So it'll usually cross over, reverse, and then take off.
Yeah. So when you get your bull run, so you get your bull run right where there it is. So you start your bull run right here. This is okay. Something's happening, right? We just get push, and it creates a bull flag right here. So we want to get into the bull flag buy right here. And so that's our confirmation that we're pushing forward. But to just take it, instead of guessing, just a whole nother level is to throw on the zone and see that it's crossed through, it's rejected, and it's bull flagging and rejecting these midlines as well as the super smooth at the same time. Because this is all going to be here when price is sitting there. And then for your take profit, if you measure the move from the bottom and you put your middle line right here on the middle of this bull flag area right here, wherever you end up is where you should put your take profit. So 950, 850. So because typically these moves are equal or close to it, and that's 50% of the move. So if you measure, yeah, so if you which this is just a bull flag, but honestly it's actually a pivot. So and it's pivoting because of this consolidation here, and this is contraction, and then here it expanded, and this is our expansion line right in the middle, so it's going to pivot on it. But whatever, it's a bull flag, and typically that's 50% of the leg that's going to move. And if you look, when you measure it, it's almost 50% to the top. But I like to put, just to not overshoot, I always put the line right under the lows of the flag. So I get into the trade, and then I'm like, okay, where am I going to take profit? And then I'll measure it, put my lines right at the low of the flag, and then go right here. Instead of trying to get to the extreme, I just get where I know it's probably going to at least get hit.
Yeah, a little bit more conservative.
Yep.
Got it.
So this is actually fading. Wow. Okay. Where's my... Okay. It's back into the orb here. But I'm still bearish. I'm not... I mean, look at our zones here. Our 240 is below our New York. I'm not trying to fade this right now.
So you like to work with the 240 more than the lower time frame FLBs?
Yeah, for trying to trade the fades of pre-market and any type of orb, yes. If I'm scalping, then if I'm trying to get into really fast repetitive scalps, then I'll drop down into the 15s and the 5s. But over the last month or so, I've been playing with the 240 a lot, and it really kind of gives you a really good idea, really higher influence of price, actually respecting it, because it's such a higher time frame. So waiting on it becomes beneficial. And if you see this right here, it's showing the waves. And then we're under our super smooth. So for the past month, I've been really using the 240 a lot.
Okay, it's good to know.
It makes you be a little more patient. It's actually cut down a lot of my losses too, because I'm being more patient, waiting for the rejections to happen. But we're getting chopped pretty bad right now. So. Still think this is going to break down.
Yeah, I've found so far either being really patient and waiting things out, or jumping in on super high momentum moves, jumping in, jumping out quickly has been good for me. But in the middle, I'm not doing it as well.
I like to scalp 20 ticks. It's $100 every time I do it, and that's what I was doing. And then I got whipsawed right here and lost everything that I made. And I was up like what 200 something, and then boom, one little false swoop. But now I'm back up to 400 each, or 350. So I'm good with that in each account. I'll probably take 2 more scalps. I'll probably try to get 2 more 20 tick, 30 tick scalps, and then I'll be done for the day.
All right. My Ninja Trader 1S1K bot is not doing anything yet. I don't know if it just sometimes takes a while, but I'm not seeing any sort of action since this morning.
Open up the Ninja Script output and then run it, turn it back on, and see what it says. It might be an error.
Open up what output? I'm sorry.
Go in Ninja Trader under New and click on Ninja Script output.
Okay.
And it's a log. So and then disable the strategy and then re-enable the strategy. Let's see what it says in there.
Right.
Thanks for the food. I told him what I wanted. He's like, lunch. I'm like, what did he get? Chicken. Was he upset? Yeah.
Well, I don't see anything in my Ninja Script output.
It doesn't say that it's even starting. It should say like strategy startup.
No, it's just blank.
Hold on a second. I'm gonna give you a link so I can remote look at it. I'm messaging you a link in Discord. the DM. You just click on that and it'll let me review your stuff.
All right.
Come on, Nazzy Dacky. Drop. I know you want to. I can see it. See, you just want to dump all the way to 8:30. Yeah, it's enabled. All right, let's look what's going on here. That ain't it. That's not it. What chart? Hold on. Well, let's look at this. MNQ. Oh, you're on a data. Where's your MNQ chart at? Oh, you don't have a chart open. All right, so this is unlimited. New chart. Did you have it on one of these and you swapped over to a different asset? Can you hear me? Your mic's muted if you're talking. Trying to talk anyways. Well, let's just change this over and let's see what happens. Okay, so we're gonna want Does he have the orb enabled on that? I don't think he does. Trying to see. Okay, yeah, that's so if you have the orb enabled, see here's the orb right here, it's not going to take any trades inside of it because it's trying to avoid the chop. But he doesn't have it on in that strategy. So you got to disable, right? To edit, turn all. This is a known bug, going to be fixed, but have all the days selected or it won't take any trades. I don't. He didn't use the beacon as a confluence either, so why there? All right, and then to see what it's doing, and then you have to click arm here. Arm, and then now it's armed. But we don't want it to be armed because we want, what is it, Heikinashi, 3-minute Heikinashi. We're gonna go to data series right here, select Heikinashi. We're gonna type in 3 minutes, hit apply, okay. Here's your Heikinashi. Now we hit arm and it's good to go. Now with Ninja Trader, come to your workspaces and oh shit, save as, I always call it mine. I hope this doesn't delete everything. You want to save, yep, there we go. Now click save, and now all of this will end up being saved. And it'll pop up like this every time you open it. So it's running now. You see, here's all the zones. It looks different than Trading View, it's just different platform. But it's running. I'm gonna exit your system now. So it looks like we're fading, but I think we're gonna, they're just gonna get people to buy, and then they're gonna reject these zones here and then dump it some more. I'm just being patient, waiting for that to happen. I actually really want this to leave the orb, this yellow box. I want it to leave the orb, and then I'm gonna come start looking for scalping setups to short. I'm just waiting for that to happen before I do anything. I should just go watch TV or something so I don't get into a trade dumb.
Thanks for your help with that, man. I clearly have no experience with Ninja Trader.
Man, you should have seen me when I first tried to use Ninja Trader. I was like, what in the world?
View is my thing, and it's got such a nice interface. And then I opened up Ninja Trader, and I was like, oh, what is this?
Yeah,
but, I mean, it does its job. You know?
Trading View is really good for visualization and looking at everything, but as far as execution, Ninja Trader is the bee's knees. I use it to execute all trades, even though it's showing up on my screen on Trading View, because you can just log into it on Trading View as well. So I execute all trades on Ninja Trader because it's faster, and then I manage on Trading View. I drag my stop loss and take profit around on Trading View to get on my visualizations of where stuff is. But as far as actually executing, it's Ninja Trader. The executions are way faster. Plus, I'm using a VPS that's right next to the exchange, so I'm like getting no latency. And when you're scalping 20 ticks, even a 500 millisecond latency will wreck you. That's 10 grand a year right there. You're gonna lose. The VPS we use is literally like 0.1 milliseconds in latency from the broker. But there is no latency. It's just when I click the button, the order's already executed.
Oh, wow. Yeah, maybe I'll have to get that set up. Actually, I need to purchase the setup package from you guys, I think, because I've gotten certain things done, but there's a lot of stuff I'm just not familiar with how to do it, and like the setting up cross trade properly and making sure Tradeify is working with the algos and TradingView and all that stuff.
All right, yeah. Just let us know when you want. Ladots does all those, but he's around, so whenever.
Okay. Yeah, I'll let you know soon.
Yep.
Thanks.
No problem, man. So we're starting to get into these zones again. Hold on. But yeah, the FLB will definitely make you patient. Wait, if you use it correctly, if you use it for what it's to find the setups. So like right now, this could be fading, pushing up to the other side, like rejection. We're going to push, which is possible because we're below some standard deviations on VWAPs. Confirmation would be the break of this, right? Right now I could enter, but it's not confirmed. I don't really know if it's going to do that. If this thing breaks these zones and retests and pushes, more than likely it's going up. So I'm just waiting. What is our daily and weeklies doing? Oh, it already won. Good. Look at that. What is this? The daily won last night. Yeah. Heck yeah. Only looking for shorts. Are we gonna return? Oh my goodness, is it fading, this orb? Let's see if we have any deviations here. Hmm. Huh. Boom, 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 boom. Interesting. Very interesting. Damn. Quantum Surge just nailed a scalp. Nailed it. This is very uh, where is the chat? Oh, there we go. Is that the rejection? Is it? Is it? Is it? Huh? One bar with that's really weird. Literally sitting right next to the thing. There you go. Very interesting. Very interesting here. All right, well, we just had resistance turned into support here. This may actually push. There it is right there. I don't know, man. It's super, ES is super bearish. Look at that. Oh, no move yet. No move yet. Nothing to do. Hmm. What are we supposed to do with this? This is trash, 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 trash. You guys don't even want to know how I knew not to short this, because I was about to short the fuck out of this right here. See these trend breaks? Breaking, look, we broke trend with a bearish, whatever you call these things, pennant, fucking whatever, bear flag, breaking a resistance or support at the same time too. Look at this right here. I did not take that trade, and I can't even tell you why. Look, about to looking for a break and retest to 939 and target the high. Come on, baby. Give me that long. Give me that long. Get messages from. Come on. Think we're about to go cliff diving. Be right back. do the damn thing already. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go now. Boom. Here we go now. Boom. 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 Are we gonna get the move or what? See what I said? What I said? I said break and retest of 939 right here. Is it gonna give it to it? Is it gonna give it? Is this our confirmation here? Is this it? Is this gonna be it? Is it? Is it? Is it? Is this a reversal? What are you gonna do? Saw that coming. They're just chopping it. They're not doing anything. See where that did that at? The break and retest of 939. Yep. Okay, so we're gonna actually break the orb now? That would be fucking amazing. Yeah. Okay. We're coming down to where I thought originally. Handlers are too big to try to trade. The risk is fucking enormous. The 268 handle there. Need a way to get into this. I don't have a way to get into this fucking entry, dude. Just insane. It's fast, too fast. Give me a fucking entry. All right, so we finally got our zone below the orb there. Is this just a V bottom? Come on, really? No way. Come on, baby. Give me the itchy. Give me the itchy. Mm. 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 Oh, he's yelling for you. What? Man, they are really making us wait for this shit. Making us wait, wait, wait. This is ugly. It's so ugly. Eval Master Pro is up $505 right now. Quantum Surge is up $285. Eval Master Pro, where you at? There's Quantum Surge. Where's Email Master Pro? That's not it. This is it right here. Eval Master Pro. There it is. Boom, boom. This is the Eval Passing Bot. Win, win, win. There's $500 right there. Working on an NinjaTrader version of that. NinjaTrader is really hard to do anything. But the executions is so good. I think we're about to see a drop. Wow. Okay. Drum roll, please. Come on, baby, drop. Come on, baby, drop. Come on, baby, drop. Wow. Okay. Alrighty. Well. Come on, quit playing and just drop. Drop down. All right, I'm just gonna take it. Fuck it. I'm done with it. I'm playing with it. Always re-enter. Make sure it's closed here. Nice to get a little bigger of a drop there. Oh, watch it just tank now that I closed it. Oh, you motherfuckers.
I didn't have a trade there.
Do what?
If you just closed a trade, I wasn't in one.
Yeah, I just closed one. And it's tanking now. Ah, I closed it for no reason. Yeah, it should have put you in it. Let me see. You're lit up green. Oh my god, I was in this, dude. Jesus. For fuck's sakes. This would have been like fucking $1,500. See if it still crashes out. Crashes out and get back in. It didn't reverse you, did it?
No. I'm looking through the orders and stuff to see.
Oh, been a little late in the day now. May not let this drop. It looks like it's about to drop. Yeah, I got in at the top of this, dude, and I just closed that. That's so fucking aggravating. You know? Like, I got in at above 900, so like right around here somewhere. This is 100 ticks. That was $500. Fuck.
I got that.
It's just going to be a 20 tick scalp. Come on, hit it. Hit it, you bitch. Hit it. Wow. Really? There it goes. Got that one. Got you. Got you. Got you. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Dude got the bottom of the wick. Oh, man. Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun. the zone has just left the thing, but I don't know, man. I think I'm gonna call it, dude. Could this keep falling? Maybe, but I think they're gonna do some stupid shit right here. The bots are killing it right now.
Yeah, I've been running the one. I gotta get another one set up.
I've just started them on Sims, testing them. Still got some kinks to work out. Still got some kinky kinks. Do-do-dum. Da-da-da-dum. Da-dum. Are you Danny, what is your, are you scalping my NQs 1-for-1 or are you using crossover crosses?
I've been doing 1-for-1.
Oh, you're out big today, aren't you?
But I'm trying to stop now because I just keep blowing. You know, I'll be up great and then I'll blow it. So I'm just trying to stop.
No, I'm talking about the
bots
copies.
do better than I do, so that's why I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna run the bot.
I was talking about the trade copy.
Oh, the trade copy. Yeah, I've got that crossed over.
Oh, okay. I don't think I'm gonna mess with them NQs anymore, micros anymore, man. It's actually been the downfall. It's been a problem. I'm trying to get too big of trades to make up for what I do with the minis, and they're not letting us have the RR or the moves.
Yeah, that's what, you know, I've been doing it because it's when you got to count in the hole, you can get it back, you know, quick, but then it always turns around on me the other way.
Yeah, you just don't lose.
Oh, that's the key. Okay.
Oh, yeah. I'm about to show you the key. This is a VIP only thing here. Mr. Denny's a VIP. Here you go, Denny. Here's your key. What are you gonna do now, Mr. Nazidake? This is like the slowest ore break in the history of ever. It's like, what the fuck, man? It's not fading and it's not breaking. It's just sitting here. You know?
Crazy.
Like, I mean, it broke the ore, but like, what the fuck? You can tell when something's about to happen. You'll see candles starting to move around like crazy and volumes coming in like crazy and like starts to get all jittery candle-ish shit, you know, to get the jitters. If they took a big hit of meth or something. Fucking meth heads. I just heard a ding. Like we had a message. Oh, right now. Yeah. We're gonna put 25% tariffs on Japan and South Korea. Yeah. Good. Honestly, that'll actually do a lot because we get a lot of shit from there and they don't reciprocate. Cars, Hyundai, all that shit. Look at this crash. Look at this right here. I just don't know if I want to take it, man, because every time we hit a low, it just whipsaws right back up. You know? Look at this. The FLB called it. Called it. Broke the low. It did what I wanted to do. I did get into another short, but bro, we got in at the top up here of this whole run, and my initial TP was the low. You know how many ticks that was? That was 300 ticks. And I closed the trade early. You motherfuckers. Then I got in again and scalped 20 ticks out of it. You motherfucker. What is wrong with you? Why did you do this to me? You stupid Nazi Daki. You stupid Nazi Daki. I mean, this move right here with one contract pays most people's mortgages. You understand that? Look.
Yeah.
And I was in it. Look. All the way down to 824. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna call it, man. They're just, it's copy. I'm already up 500 on each account. I don't see the reason to keep trading this. You know? Low. We do have YOLO news on Wednesday. YOLO news on Wednesday, FOMC Wednesday at 2 p.m. We are going to be YOLOing accounts to pass in one day. You want to get on it? You want to get in on it? You must come into our Discord. Get an account with our link. Yes. Use our link and you get a discount. From Tradeify. Hey, Law, you should do it with us, man. It's fun. Count to be, what, we get 35% off, something like that. Actually, you can get 50% off because you never got one before. So about 60 bucks, you're all in, A-Law. If you pass the account, you got 50 grand to trade with.
Oh, I don't know. My life's thrilling enough right now as it is.
It's on Wednesday.
I don't know how much more thrill I can take.
That's how I pass all my accounts, man. I don't sit here and trade them for weeks. I just YOLO them on news days, and if I win, I win. If I don't, I don't.
Okay. That's kind of a cool approach.
Yep. It's just the cost of doing business. 80 bucks, pass an account, you have another funded account to trade copy. And if you don't, you reset it and wait for the next time. A lot of people will do 10, 20 of them at a time.
Well, you do prop firm, like different prop firms or all the same one?
We have all different prop firms we use when we trade copy.
Okay.
I'm running...
Oh, wow. That's a lot.
Yeah, that's why we don't even bother trading our own. I mean, I have a cash account that I swing, but I don't bother scalping my own money. No reason.
All right, well, I guess I'll have to start, building that up a little bit at a time.
Yeah, you just get one, make a little bit of money, get another, make a little bit of money, get another one, get another one. The fastest way, honestly, is you're literally YOLOing the news. We usually get, so we did 2 last week, and I passed one day, and I blew the next one. But there's a soft draw on the account. So especially with the one we're using, if you hit it one day, the account's not gone. You can still use it for the next one.
Okay.
But the resets, we just reset them if we blow them, and then wait for the next one. It's a little more expensive to get funded like that, but it's faster. Definitely faster. As Denny knows, he's got one now from last week, and he's not trading it yet because psychology. Right, Denny?
I'm not touching it until you say it's okay.
Well, I mean, that's on you, bro. That's your mind, not mine.
Oh, no, I can't be trusted.
I hear you, dude. So most people blow their funded accounts within 3 days of getting them. Law.
Yeah,
It's a psychological thing. They get the account and they're like, oh, I got to make money now, and then they try to force trades. So I just tell people don't even touch it for a week once it's funded. Enter if the firm has like a weekly rule for trades, enter one little micro, just open and close real quick, just to not lose it. But once you get over the greed aspect of I got to make money right now, and then once you get over the fear I don't want to lose the account, then that's when you start trading it. And then eventually it just becomes like no big deal when you pass another one. It's like, oh, well, now I got another one, throw in the trade copier.
Yeah, I'm too fresh to all of this stuff. I definitely would have too much emotion wrapped into it. So it sounds like a good plan. Just let it sit.
Bro, I was just gonna break or what? Come on. This is just getting bad. They don't want to let price move. Hold on, let me look at something real quick. I don't know if it's worth the risk, man. This is risky to short this right here. But look at these wicks. It's getting, the longs are getting shut down. And there's a 15, there's a the New York session end cap right here. There's a shit ton of orders in here just waiting to get snatched up. It could be explosive though. Let's see if it's even worth it. I mean, fuck. I mean, what do I do? What do I do? Someone tell me. You know what? I'm not going to be greedy, man. I'm not going to be greedy. I'm already up. Everybody's up on the trade copies. I'm just going to leave it alone. Leave it alone. I am shutting off the YouTubes and all that shit. By the way, don't take trades on the YouTubes and TikToks and shit like that. If you're following along, it is delayed. You are scalping and you do not want to get into a 2-minute late scalp, because it is about a minute to 2 minutes delayed. Discord is the only way to do it live. This bot is in a position here. Two of them.